In today's Q&A question, should I get the IKEA Idasen or the IKEA Bekant standing desk? Hey guys, Greg with BTOD TV and BTOD.com. Today's Q&A question, which asks, should I be getting the IKEA Idasen or the IKEA Bekant standing desk, is something that we actually get quite a bit here at BTOD.com. And the reason for it is we've been talking about the Bekant for the last 4 years, and recently we've reviewed the IKEA Idasen, and both videos are quite popular on our YouTube channel, and the blog posts on our Learning Center are also quite popular. And this is to no surprise, as IKEA has a large footprint around the globe and gives access to many people to see a product like a standing desk in person, where that's not usually the case for many of the other standing desk brands here available online. So before we go ahead and answer the question, which is going to be best for you, let's go ahead and remind everybody, if you have questions like this, maybe you have a question about IKEA's Idasen or Bekant, send them to our direct message at Instagram, BTOD TV at Instagram, and we will do our best to answer them here on YouTube, giving you a quick response. Now, which product is going to be best for your needs? So both of these products are actually relatively similar when it comes to their specs. So their height adjustment, their weight capacities, their speeds, all of those things are fairly consistent. But what is different is the manufacturers that actually make the products themselves. So the OEM manufacturer that's manufacturing the frame for IKEA. So the Bekant product is made from a company called Roll Ergo, and the Idasen product is made from a company named Linac. Now, Linac is a global leader when it comes to height adjustable frames, actuators, electronics, all the things that go into an electric standing desk, while Roll Ergo is not a global leader. And to be quite honest, from the feedback that we've seen, number one, on the Bekant product, there's been a lot of dead on arrival issues, a lot of people having issues where the desk just stops working, and that shows up in the reviews. So if you actually go to IKEA.com, read through the reviews, you'll see that the Bekant, for as long as it's been around, has an average of about 3 to 3.2 stars out of 5. That's not great, and that's not great feedback from the customers. When we compare that to the IKEA Idasen, you can see that this product has a 4.5 star average across the board. So it definitely has performed quite a bit better. Now, in our own testing here, I would say that that is true as well. And when we first received our IKEA Bekant product, we did have an issue with one of the columns not working. They ended up having to send us a replacement frame, and then we were able to get the desk to work. But the major difference between, of course, the actual frames themselves is probably still the frame itself, and that really comes down to the stability of the desk. So not just the functionality of the desk, but the actual stability of the desk. The IKEA Bekant is one of the least stable products that we've tested. Our video where we do a stability video almost 4 years ago now showed how poor it was with stability, and you can see there are countless comments on that video basically saying the same exact thing. I got the IKEA Bekant, I hate it, it is so unstable. Now with the Idasen, it is a very different experience. In fact, this is one of the most stable standing desks that we've tested. When we look at 2-leg standing desks, it rated number 2 overall out of all the major brands that we compared it to. And front to back stability, because of its unique design with the frame, is actually the best that we've tested out of all desks. So if I were to tell you which one to pick, now I know that the IKEA Idasen is a little bit more expensive than the Bekant, but I think it is worth it when it comes to just purely looking at the stability of the product alone. It is better for stability, and when we think about standing desk, stability is one of the most important aspects of using a standing desk at standing height and being able to remain concentrated on your work, efficient through your day. And so if I were to pick, I would say the IKEA Idasen is the better option when compared to that of the IKEA Bekant. So if you have either of these products, let us know what you think of them. If you had the Bekant and you love it, if you had the Bekant and you hate it, let us know down in the comments. If you've got the Idasen, maybe we helped you pick one of the desks. Let us know. It will help others decide which product is best for their needs. And if you've got any questions related to the furniture category, don't forget to send them to our Instagram channel, BTOD TV at Instagram, direct message, and we'll go ahead and answer them here on YouTube. Like this video if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Thanks a lot for watching.